Most people only know the Roosevelt dime, but did you know the dime has been around since 1796, older than most countries' currencies still in use today? If you find any of the dimes in this video, it could put you into retirement. And here's a fun fact: every dime minted before 1965 is 90% silver. Even common ones are worth more than the face value of 10 cents. Let's just hop right into this video, guys. With this first coin, it is a Mercury dime. So that side profile you see on the front is actually Lady Liberty. A lot of people back in the day thought it was a Greek god Mercury, which is why the name Mercury dimes came to be. $102,000 it sold for. Why did this Mercury dime sell for this much money? First of all, the grading condition's very, very high. This 1942 coin is in spectacular condition. By PCGS graded it at a mint state 66. The big thing we want to look for here is the date. This is a 1942/1. If you ever find one, this rare air is worth a ton of money. Contact a rare coin expert because it's selling for tons and tons of money. Up next, we have another Mercury dime. This one sold for $132,000. It's a 1919 San Francisco issued coin. How do we know it's a San Francisco issued coin? Well, look in the back bottom center left area. You're going to see a little S mint mark standing for the San Francisco Mint. This coin is very rare. It's a key date, this 1919 Mercury dime. $132,000 it sold for. All right, something we're all familiar with here, the Roosevelt dime, 1975. This one sold for $456,000, guys. Holy smokes. Nearly $500,000 for this little dime coin. What in the world? Why would it sell for so much money? Well, there's a few factors to take into consideration. When you sell your coin is very important. Market timings on these coins are pivotal. Next, if you have a few people that are really bidding for a specific coin, you can get into what's called a bidding war, where the highest bidder will win and they'll bid each other up until one of them essentially taps out. So what makes this specific coin so rare? So something you need to know about this coin is that there should be an S mint mark around the date. The S mint mark means it was struck at the San Francisco Mint, and this is a proof coin. So only proof coins for 1975 were produced in San Francisco. Now, there's also coins minted in Philadelphia which also have no mint mark. So most of the time when you find a 1975 coin that is a Roosevelt dime and has no mint mark, it's going to be from Philadelphia. What you need to look for is a proof coin, which looks like this, very shiny, but it's missing the S mint mark. Remember, all proof coins from 1975 Roosevelt dimes should have been struck with an S mint mark at the San Francisco Mint. This one is a proof coin without the S mint mark. So that is the key date. Hopefully that makes sense. 1975, graded by PCGS at a proof 68, sold for $456,000. All right, this next coin is very cool. It's a genuine 10-cent barber dime that sold for $1.5 million, and rumor has it one was spent on ice cream by a banker's daughter. Imagine that. There were only 24 of these coins ever produced, but it's impossible to trace more than 5 pieces. So if you find an 1894 S 10-cent barber dime, this is the one you want to be seeing because it sold for $1.5 million. $3.6 million. Getting absolutely ridiculous here, right, guys? Well, this 10-cent seeded Liberty coin is a beauty. It's an 1873 CC coin. So whenever you see the Carson City mint mark on your coin, just know that you have a pretty rare coin. Carson City is a very famously known mint that ran for a relatively short period of time, and the mint mark is coveted. People love the CC mint mark. This 1873 coin is just incredibly rare. This is the no arrows variety that we will show you right here. PC just graded this coin at a mint state 65, and it sold for $3.6 million. Now, we do hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Make sure if you haven't already, pick up your free coin and currency ebook down below. We spent a lot of time on that guide, and we will see you guys in the next one.